Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install and activate Filmora version 9. So first of all, we look for the official site of Filmora, and here we have the button of free download for Windows, and here we have free download for the MacBook. So we double click to the free download and we wait a moment for this 1 megaoctet. We install this application like administrator. We click the install button and we wait some minutes to complete download files. Okay, here we are. We open the application and here we are. This is the interface of Filmora 9, and we see how to use it in the other videos. And now we see how to activate this application. So we see the method of activate Filmora 9. We open the C disk, system 32, drivers, and we look for etc files. That's it. And now we put the host file like that. We open it with a notebook. In the end of this note, we will copy paste the line, that's it, and we save it. After that, we remove these files and the origin installation file. Okay, that's it. And right now, we can use all of the bottom of Filmora 9. We can download the free music of Filmora 9. We can use also and download other texts. Okay, we can download also the transition, effects, like that, and that's it. Enjoy it.